How are you doing? How is weather in your area? But here, during the summer, it is too hot to live. Okay, this is your Vaishni from Zphs Rayakuduru. Keep learning, keep practicing, the secret of success. Well, let's come to the point. Today, we are going to talk about would. I think this is the most important topic among all modal verbs. If you watch this video till the end, you will be able to use would in your daily life. Okay, shall we start? Come on.
Friends, when we imagine a situation or action, we can use would. It means when we think of something that's not real, we can use would.
Hi, my name is Anita from Zphs Rayakuduru. I go to school every day by bicycle. Actually, it is old, but I love it because it serves me a lot. But I have to get it repaired these days very often. That's why I would like to buy a new bicycle. But I can't afford it.
Hi, this is Aparna. I have a sister. She is very brilliant. She is good at studies. Apart from studies, she has so many interests like she would love to learn dance and she would like to learn classical music. That's why she would love to live in cities where she can learn whatever she wants. But she lives in a remote village. She is helpless.
Hi, I am P. Lakshmi. I am preparing for an examination which will be held tomorrow. Actually, I have not prepared well. I need some more time to finish the whole syllabus. It would be better if the exam was postponed. But it's impossible, isn't it? Friends, sometimes we talk about something that we wanted to do, but we did not do that. It did not happen. In such cases, we can use would. For this, its structure is would have plus V3. Hey Aparna, what are you doing? Oh my god, you have been suffering from fever for 5 days. You are looking very weak. Why are you here?
I come here for vegetables.
Look Aparna, you are my best friend. It's my pleasure to do something for you. I am always ready to help you. You need not come here. If you had called me, I would have brought vegetables for you.
Oh, thank you so much. It's so nice of you. Hi Tanu.
Hi,
Where are you coming from?
from a hotel.
Why have you been to hotel?
Our friend Ramya has thrown a party.
Okay.
Why haven't you attended?
Actually, I don't know anything about it. I would have attended the party. But she didn't invite me.
Okay, she might have forgotten.
Might be.
Hey Aparna, what happened to you? I waited for you at the examination hall for a long time. You were in my mind even while writing the exam. Why didn't you do the exam? I am sure you would have passed it.
Thanks for your concern, but I have not prepared well. That's why I didn't do this.
Hey, it's very easy. Your preparation would have been enough. Is it? Yes.
Hi Tanu.
Hi,
How are you doing?
doing great.
Yesterday I saw you at the railway station.
Yes, I was waiting for my friend coming from Mumbai.
Well, but I was in a hurry when I saw you. Otherwise, I would have stopped to talk.
Never mind.
Friends, we can use would when we talk about things that happened repeatedly in the past. Friends, in my childhood days, I used to be afraid of doctor. I would hide in the cupboard when I had to go to the doctor. I would forcibly be taken to the doctor. I would give a lot of trouble to my parents when I was ill. Friends, when I was younger, I used to love stories. My father would tell stories every night at bedtime. When he didn't tell, I wouldn't sleep, I would cry, I would fight, and I would shout at him. Friends, would is used as the first form of will when reporting what somebody has said. So here, will is replaced by would. Hi Bala.
Hi Lavanya.
Congratulations on getting 590 marks out of 600.
Thank you so much. And you know what? I will throw a party for all our friends.
Oh, thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Hey Lavanya, what did Bala say to you?
She said that she would throw a party for all her friends.
Why?
Because she scored 590 marks out of 600.
Oh, great.
Hi.
Hi,
What about our friend Ramya? Where is she?
she is home, but why are you asking about her?
I have been trying to reach her for 2 days. Whenever I call her, it says out of coverage area or switched off.
No, there is nothing like that. Her phone is under repair. I met her yesterday. She told me that she would meet you today.
That's good.
Hey Varshni, have you paid the fee?
No, haven't.
Do you know the last date?
Yes, I do.
Have you asked your father?
Yes, I have. He said he would give me the money this evening.
It's alright.
Bye.
Bye.
Hi Bala.
Hi Aparna.
Did Anita meet you yesterday?
No, she didn't, but she said she would on Sunday.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Friends, would is used to say what you like, what you love, what you hate or what you prefer. For this, the structure is would plus V1. So let's see what our friends like, love, hate or prefer. What would you love?
I would love to play for India.
I would love coffee.
I would love to live in my village.
What would you like?
I would like to have chocolates.
Is there any particular color you would prefer?
Yes, I would prefer green.
What would you prefer, cycling or walking?
I would prefer cycling.
What would you hate?
I would hate you think me I am criticizing you.
I would hate to see the animals suffer. What would you love?
I would love to learn English.
Friends, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. But don't forget to make a comment. And it will be worthless if you don't share this video. And we promise you that we will get back with a striking topic. Until then, keep watching our videos. Viewers, SEKHA'S English. Bye bye.